Here we have a 68 plate BMW 340i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. We do also have the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. Got the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. The blue metallic exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter as well. There's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side now, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We have the M Performance kit on this vehicle. M Sport suspension. We also have colour-coded door handles. Got the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. We do also have the shark fin antennae on the roof. We have the rear spoiler on the tailgate. Then we do also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. Got the rear diffuser with the dual exit exhaust at the back, and there's a look at that rear. Walking back round to the driver's side now, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look now at the interior, inside at the back first, you'll find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points back here. We do also have the electric windows on the doors. Now if we take a look at the front, you find the same full black leather interior. Apologies about the sun. Both these front seats are heated. We do also have the electric power folding mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights just down here. Now if we take a seat inside, then you find the multifunctional steering wheel here in front of us. Just close the door properly, put our foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle will turn on for us. We do also have the heated steering wheel, so if you press this button, it will activate the heated steering wheel. Let's just turn it off for now. We then have the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left hand side, volume buttons as well on the right. We are free from any warning lights as well on the dashboard. We do also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. Now if this screen is flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We have many more features on here, such as the media options with the radio stations. We then have the Bluetooth audio, CD player, USB. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for making phone calls. Moving further down, you'll find the climate control down here. Got the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats on either side. As you can see just there, everything works as it should do. We then have the cup holders just inside of here. Got the key inside of there for now with the 12-volt connectivity. Got the automatic gearbox and the different drive modes. So if you just press onto here, you find the Eco Pro drive mode, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus with the Sport displays as well. Let's just leave it in Comfort for now. If you put the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors on the left hand side. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the manual handbrake and also the armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 340i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, we have to fight the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. We've got the button just down here to activate the heated steering wheel. Paddle shifters at either side. If you want to stick the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles and it will change gear. We've got the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, with the volume buttons and Bluetooth phone connectivity on the right. We also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard. We can display different trip information. If you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle, really comfortable seats, easy to do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of this vehicle. We've got the main screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but also has many more features you would have seen on the photos. Now that ding was just about the fuel, so nothing to worry about. We do have the dual zone climate control just down here. It has the ice-cold air conditioning as well, which is perfect for the hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we've put our right indicator on, we'll start to slow down and we'll wait for the cars to go past before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So make the right hand turn and then perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse, reversing camera appears on the screen. Back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, simply just feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, and I'll go running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.